Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm wearing my Grace LEA slap cap with the satin lining that I've had for years and it's all worn out. And I'm also wearing my hair sock that I purchased from Charisma on Etsy. And last night I shampooed my hair, and I'm going to share the shampoo that I use. I did something a little bit different last night, and I'll show you that shampoo before the end of this video. But I want you to know that I really appreciate all of you and what you're doing to promote this channel, to uplift me and my family. I really appreciate your prayers. And I want you to know that God is continuing to strengthen us. Nothing right now has changed in our situation, but I'm just depending on God. I'm going to stand on His word and believe for the best. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, and you are watching this video, I want you to know that I always have an open invitation to you to join the G&G family. This family has proven to be supportive, uplifting, and encouraging to me. If you read some of the comments from my subscribers, you have to be uplifted. I am uplifted. I am by the encouraging words and sometimes even your prayers in the comment. My hair in the back is not completely dried. It's just a tad bit damp, but it's looking okay. My ends look better than they did yesterday. And I believe this shampoo that I'm using is going to make a difference in the ends of my hair. I like my curly ends. I believe that I want them to be a little bit tighter. I use these curly ends when I am in a consultation with new clients. I use it in order to let them know and show them how color affects your hair. Let me know if your color, if you have colored your hair, does it loosen your texture? How did the color affect your hair in a positive way? Or for some, it may be negative, even though for you it might be positive. I love my ends, but right now I just wish they were a little bit tighter. And I know that had I not colored them, they would be a little bit tighter, locked, possibly. Yeah, but I want you to know that I'm doing well, getting ready to go out to the salon to do a retightening on a day that I thought I was going to have off. So I thought that I would be off today, and then last night or yesterday evening, I received a text asking me if I had any openings for retightening. And so I scheduled it for the first thing this morning. After I complete this retightening, I am going to go for a much needed pedicure. When I say much needed, I mean really, really much needed. Yeah. There are things in life that we must realize that we cannot control. those things, especially those things, I put them in God's hands. Because God said in his word, he'd never leave me or forsake me. And I have to believe that. And therefore, I am being strengthened by his word. And I want you to know that there are mornings when I wake up and I need a little bit more. And there is a YouTube channel. You know, YouTube provides us with a lot, and it's not all just entertainment. The YouTube channel that I subscribe to and gain strength from is Grace for Purpose. There are times when I just click on that channel, and there it is, the prayer and the word from God that I need. And I am strengthened, I am encouraged, and I am uplifted. They give me what I want to give to others. I want to always be able to uplift you. And I know that I am a bit human, and you are too. But sometimes we feel like we're going through all alone. But we are never alone, because God is always with us, no matter the circumstances. If you have accepted him into your heart, believe that for yourself. He's there. He's there to lead you. He's there to guide you and help you along the way. And that's what I want you to know today. That he's always there. He's always there. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish taking these braids out and not hold you too long. Now if I leave this braid here, my hair will be out of my face. But I'm going to go ahead and take these two braids out so you can see the full effect. And maybe before I start working today, I may just braid this section down. Not sure yet if I'm going to do that or if I'm going to use my goodie clip. But right now I want you to see exactly what my hair looks like after using this shampoo. And I want you to know there's nothing else that's been used on my hair except this shampoo. And I've used this shampoo before, but I forgot what it does to my hair. I've never had a complaint about it. And as I was shampooing my hair last night, I felt good about what was happening. But I knew that I would not have a final say until this morning. Look at it. It's just as beautiful as ever. I am going to let you know right now that what I used to shampoo my hair last night is the Sisterlocks Starter Shampoo. And I know some people just do not like this. Some people would say that this is not their favorite. And I'm not going to say this is my favorite shampoo, but I'm going to use it for a while to see how it affects my ends. Since it is the starter shampoo, it is the shampoo that should assist our hair in locking. So I'm hoping that it will help me. I'm hoping that it will help my ends to just become a little bit tighter. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Have a great day.